וואלה, אני מדביק, אחי.
You just said, I was in Minnesota.
I was in Minnesota.
I can't sit down. I'll go to bed.
Dance.
Okay, I guess I will. Your daughter's gonna beat me. You're not even drinking me.
I'm drinking.
She's the funniest. בני, אני לא יודע אם הזקן מדליק אותם ככה או לא יודע מה.
I got
גגה? מה יש גגה? או, גגה. אוקיי. אוקיי.
I'm just fucking with you.
I hear that.
You just Elvis sing a song I know.